This is where you emerge prepared. Hi, welcome to University of Indianapolis' Health Pavilion. UIndy's Health Pavilion connects students with state-of-the-art medical technology and hands-on learning. Let's take a look inside. This 160,000 square foot facility is one of UIndy's most advanced, designed to support cutting-edge learning and collaboration. Full of state-of-the-art technology, this space is home to UIndy's College of Health Sciences, Behavioral Sciences, and the School of Nursing, and it's where you'll find our nationally respected academic programs in nursing, physical therapy, occupational therapy, psychology, gerontology, kinesiology, athletic training, public health, counseling, and social work. Established in partnership with Community Health Network, the Health Pavilion brings unique learning and collaborative opportunities for students from research to clinical experiences. The STEM Lab at UIndy is among the best in Indiana at providing experience in a real clinical setting. Nursing students practice skills on robotic patients that breathe, blink, speak, and maintain variable controlled vital signs, all manipulated by instructors on the other side of the glass. You'll learn how to make life-saving decisions in a low-risk environment. Imagine a human-sized smartphone complete with high-resolution display and fully interactive functions. The Anatomage table contains the complete visual data of a human cadaver. With the tap of the menu, users can highlight elements of the central nervous system and place a virtual pin in a spot that is identified with the correct medical term. The DEXA takes measuring body composition to a new level. By obtaining a full body scan, the DEXA reveals key information like bone density and muscle-to-fat ratio. There are wide applications for this data in the healthcare industry, including clinical exercise programming, high-performance athletic training, and osteopathic care. The DEXA is one of several pieces of state-of-the-art equipment housed in the 2,300 square foot Human Performance Laboratory. That's where exercise science lab classes and research are held. The unique configuration of the lab permits two activities to occur simultaneously, so we're maximizing educational and research opportunities for students and faculty. In addition to the Human Performance Lab, the Health Pavilion is also home to the Movement Science Lab, where students from many health science programs can conduct research into motor control, biomechanics, and rehab physiology. The Health Pavilion is a lot more than a place to learn and study. There are spaces on every floor to gather with friends and classmates, including the Perk Cafe where you can grab a coffee and a bite to eat. The 140-seat R.B. Annis Auditorium provides opportunities to learn from faculty experts and guest speakers from a variety of disciplines. You'll also find the university's Health and Wellness Center here, with services that support your physical and emotional well-being. Staffed by Community Health Network nurse practitioners and a part-time physician, the clinic provides treatment for common illnesses, wellness checkups, and vaccinations. It's also a clinical training ground for UIndy students. The Student Counseling Center offers counseling services to UIndy students, along with training opportunities for graduate students in psychology, counseling, and social work. The center also houses a new state-of-the-art biofeedback and meditation space. Community Health Network's physical therapy space is a 7,000 square foot rehab center with private treatment rooms and a therapeutic gym, where some students can get on-campus clinical experience. Build cutting-edge skills at the University of Indianapolis' Health Pavilion and prepare for a career that changes lives.